Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In our last video, we have solved question number 2 to 5 of exercise number 2.1. Now we have solved question number 6 of the exercise number 2.1. And the question number 6 is express the following recurring decimal as the rational number P over Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. And the first part is 0.5. 5 is recurring decimal here. Since one digit block is repeating itself indefinitely, first of all let x is equals to 0.5. So we multiply both sides by 10. We get this is equal to 0.555 and so on. Call this is equation number 1. Now multiply this by 10. This is equals to 10x and this will be equals to 10 into 0.5555 and so on. So it will be equals to 10x is equals to 5.555 and so on. Call this is equation number 2. Now we will solve equation number 1 and equation number 2. Subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. We will get 10x minus x. It will be equals to 5.555 and so on minus 0.555 and so on. Here 9x is equals to 5 and x will be equals to 5 by 9. So this is the rational number. This is the answer of first part of question number 6. Now we will solve the second part of question number 6, and the second part is .13. Let x is equals to 0.13, which is equals to 0.131313 and so on. Since two digit block 13 is repeating itself indefinitely, so we multiply both sides by 100. We get, call this is equation number 1. So multiply by 100, we will get 100x is equals to 0.131313 and so on. So 100x is equals to 13.131313 and so on. Call this is equation number 2. Now subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. Equation number 2 minus equation number 1, we get 100x minus x, and it will be equals to 13.131313 and so on, minus 0.131313 and so on. So 99x is equals to 13, and x is equals to 19 by 13, 13 by 99. So we can say that 0.13 recurring decimal is equals to 13 by 99, and this is the answer of second part. Likewise, we can solve the third part of question number 6, and the third part is 0.67. Let x is equals to 0.67 recurring decimals, and it is equals to 0.6767 and 67 and so on. Since 2-digit block 67 is repeating itself indefinitely, so we multiply, call this equation number 1, we multiply 100, multiply both sides by 100, we get 100x is equals to 100 into 0.6767 and 67 and so on. So 100x is equals to 67.6767 and 67 and so on. Call this is equation number 2. Now minus equation number 1 from equation number 2, we get 100x minus x is equals to 67.676767 and so on, minus 0.676767 and so on. So 99x is equals to 67 and x is equals to 67 by 99. So we can say that 0.67 recurring decimal is equal to 67 over 99, and this is the answer of third part. So the question number 6 is solved, and the exercise number of 2.1 is complete. Now we will solve the next exercise in our next video. Allah Hafiz.